All right. Moment of truth. We're going to find out whether we got the problem fixed or if we're going to be stuck with the same issue. So let's get to it.
You need some gas on.
What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Cross, back with another video. And in today's video, we are going to be messing with this 2006 Land Rover. Okay, this is the Land Rover that we got from the Copart auction, as you guys clearly already know if you've been following us. We got a ride height sensor on this car here. We have the HDC sensor that's on this car here. We're going to work on it, trying to see if we can get it taken off. There is a PCM. We're going to pull that out, clean it up, see if that's going to solve the issue. That is a common issue with the Range Rover, which is one reason why sometimes the PCM works. We're going to try all our cheaper options first before we get into our more expensive options. Okay, so let's just get right on into the video. As you can see right there, look at all of that corrosion. There is a lot of corrosion up in here. So what I'm gonna do is, I can't believe I didn't think about this sooner. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna clean this here off. As you saw, I took the part out. I'll show y'all in the next segment exactly where it's located, just in case you guys want to take it off. And it was pretty simple. There was no screws or anything holding it, just these little 3 notches up in here. So I took those off, and we're gonna give this here a really good cleaning, and we'll try it again and see if that fixes our problem. I got the part already installed onto here. It's kind of simple. All you really have to do is just get like a little flathead, and then you see there's these little tabs right here. Let me put this out of the way. But there's these little tabs right here. See if I can point at it. See, I can see what I'm pointing at. This right here. So then you kind of just raise that up, and then it comes off, and then when you put it back in, you just kind of just push it back in there, and then it'll latch onto those tabs. Like I said, this is pretty much you install them onto here. You install them in the right areas. Boom, right here. Boom, right there, and then boom, right here. All right. Moment of truth. We're going to find out whether we got the problem fixed or if we're going to be stuck with the same issue. So let's get to it. Key. Here we go. Well, try the cheaper route, and
That didn't help at all.
didn't fix it.
The next day.
Okay, so I just started driving the Range Rover and drove it to the store. Still giving me the same issues as before. Of course, the cleaner wasn't gonna do nothing. Now we got a check engine light back on this car again. After we just seen what was wrong with it, we cleared the check engine light. Now I got a check engine light back on. The tire light is on, so I keep saying the tire light. It's not a tire light. The battery light is still on, so we definitely gonna have to get that changed. The brake light is on, the ABS light is on. I'm guessing that is the battery. And the most egregious thing is that I went to a gas station because it wasn't running at first, and I went and got about 2 gallons of gas and poured it in here. After I poured the 2 gallons of gas in here, she fired on up. I drove her up here. I put in about 4 extra gallons of gas just to get the check engine, just get the tire light, the gas light off. I don't know why I keep saying tire. There's not even a tire light on. That's probably the only light that's not on this dash, is the tire light. And I keep saying tire light. I don't know why I keep doing it. But I'm getting really frustrated with this car, man. I picked it, so now I gotta eat this, I turned around and, I bought a few of these Range Rovers, and they've been pretty good vehicles. And just now, this one here in particular is just, this is the one that's going to do it in for me. I got nobody to blame but myself. I got another video coming out soon telling you what to look out for whenever you're buying cars from Copart. Literally everything that you're supposed to look out for when you're buying a car from Copart. I did not look at any of those signs when I bought this car. So there'll be a video of that coming out soon. Yeah, that's the nutshell into this car.
Few moments later.
Alright, just now back at the shop. We'll go ahead and drop this battery in here and see what happens. Hopefully this fixes our issue, and hopefully we be golden. So let's just try to put this battery in there and see what happens. Alright, battery's installed. Let's see what happens. Fire right on up. Still got our same codes. There goes the high sensor. Still on again. So that came back on. I don't know why the gas needle is way right here. And we're gonna put about 7-8 gallons of gas in this thing. Almost 10 gallons of gas in this car. And it's still
That is ridiculous.
running like that. We're still showing that. So we probably have a gas pump issue that's wrong with the car too. This car here has so problems, man. I'm just, wow. I definitely made my match. Oh, wait. Okay, so it is raising up. I feel it raising up. It's going up. Yeah. And looked like the height sensor went away. So the height sensor went away. Okay. Maybe just take it a minute. Maybe take it a minute. Check engine light gone, which is good. Because I mean, I don't know if you guys saw it before. It was a Christmas tree. The check engine light was on. The battery light was on. I think even the oil light was on. And turned around and did an oil change on here. Figured out what was going on with the check engine light. We haven't touched anything else after that. And just cleaned the PCM out. Yeah, now it stopped. So it stopped raising. Let's see. Nope.
No.
Nope. She's still not raising. I hit the high. That's why I hit. Sorry, that was the wrong one. I don't know what I've been thinking, but so a lot of the lights went away. You know, obviously this is an older car, so it's probably just taking it a while for a lot of this stuff to go away. We had the battery light went away, like I told you guys before. Check engine light went away. The ABS went away. The gas needle just went off, so it went away too. And so we're still left with the low, and we're still left with the ride heights that is still acted up. And we also have that other thingamajigger. I can't think of the name.
Hey, so you gotta chill, man.